Thank you. When we adjourned the examination of the witness by the counsels for the parties were finished, and we will now proceed with the interjections of the senator judges this morning. And yesterday, we already indicated the sequence of the interjections and questions from the senator judges. First to make his interjections will be Senator Raffy Tulfo. Sir, you are recognized. You have 2 minutes and you may proceed when you're ready.
Your Honor, may I be recognized first?
Yes, what is the pleasure of the Honorable Chua?
Your Honor, may we request the counsel for the prosecution, Attorney Kapunan, be recognized, Your Honor.
The counsel for the panel of prosecutors, Attorney Lorna Kapunan, the designated handling counsel for this witness, may situate herself also accordingly.
Thank you, Your Honor. Same appearance. Good morning.
Good morning, Attorney Lorna. Senator Tulfo, Raffy, you may proceed, sir, when you're ready. You have 2 minutes, sir.
Wag muna, Mr. Presiding Officer, point of order lamang muna.
Yes, what is your point of order, Honorable Tulfo?
Kasi kahapon, nabanggit na si Attorney Pua, magaling na abogado siya, ay pumunta sa COA, tama, para makipag-usap tungkol dun sa sinasabing audit query. Now, hindi mo pa conflict of interest yun para siya ay mag-represent dito ngayon sa natin, pinag-uusapang confidential funds when in fact, siya mismo pumunta doon sa COA office para makipag-usap sa kanila. What do you think, Mr. Presiding Officer?
The respondent in this case, Senator Judge Tulfo, is the Honorable Vice President, Sara Zimmerman Duterte. Attorney Poa, although he served under the office of the Vice President, I believe, and even under DepEd, is not a named respondent to this case. And in fact, is one of the lawyers, as you can see, of the respondent. There is no, I believe there is no conflict with respect to that, given that he is not the one in trial in this case.
Okay, I rest my case, Mr. Presiding Officer. Ngayon, pwede nang
simulan ni Anika.
yung oras.
Yes.
Mr. Witness, bukod sa OVP at saka DepEd, we're talking about confidential funds, meron pa ba ibang ahensya ng pamahalaan na in-audit nyo ang kanilang confidential funds?
Based on the GAA po, meron may mga other agencies na may allotment for confidential fund.
Kaya nga, meron kayong mga na-audit.
Yes po, Your Honor.
At dito sa mga ahensyang na-audit ninyo, magkapareho bang utilization nila ng confidential funds sa OVP, DepEd under BP Sara and those agencies na in-audit nyo?
Yung utilization naman po ng confidential fund ay separate and distinct for every agency since yung kanilang utilization ay based on their mandate or operations.
Okay. Sila ba'y gumamit ng mga aliases, gumamit ng mga pangalan chichirya, etc.?
Yan po ay
mga informants.
Yan po ay hindi ko na ang alam ko po ay hindi ko po ma-determine based on the documents submitted since hindi naman po naka-indicate dun sa kanilang submission na yung mga pangalan na nandun ay aliases or not.